Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. This is my first time getting the Club EP, the Echo Park Paper Company, and they are just echoparkclub.com. I just bought one box because I just wanted to try it out and see what it was like, and I really loved this collection for May. I think they do their boxes every other month. And this is the May box. So let me pull everything out. Shipped super quick. Of course, you get your summer or your inspiration page. Tells you how to make cards, a mini album. And then there are all kinds of tags and different things on the front. But I just love this collection because, probably because I'm from Indiana and everything is very rural back there. I grew up on a farm. So this collection is called Farmhouse Summer. And so let me start off with the 6x6 paper pad. You get 24 double-sided papers, and they are so cute. You get the barn doors, cut-aparts, the little barn, some more cut-aparts, some florals that are so pretty, and more cut-aparts. You get like the weather vane, more cut-aparts, lots of plaids, and then it just starts repeating. So that is the 6x6 paper pad. You also get 30 feet of the Farmhouse Summer washi tape, and I will just show it to you if I can. It's just the little yellow print of flowers, super dainty and just very, you know, understated, very farmhousey. You also get the enamel dots, so that's great. You get 60 adhesive enamel dots. You get the chipboard accents. Love the rocking chair. You get the tiered shelf. And then you also get the ephemera pack. Here's what you get in the ephemera pack. 33 die-cut cardstock papers or pieces. And then you also get the element stickers, the 12x12 element stickers, and I'll show you the papers, the 12x12 papers that you also get in here. See, look at that little farmhouse. That is so cute. So that is the papers, and then you get the barn doors and some cut-aparts. You get a plaid, and then the little barn. You get some farm tags. And then some smaller tags. You get a little like forest green print. And there's that yellow, like that's what the washi is like, is this yellow dainty flower print. And these papers are super thick. Echo Park does not mess around with their paper. Get some more cut aparts. I actually built my mom a kitchen island that looks similar to this, and I built it out of pallets before I moved to California. And then some more plaid. Some flower blooms. The weather vane. And some 4x4 journaling cards. Get that like picnic blanket check. And some more flowers. This is really pretty. I love this print. And another plaid. And then you get the blue checked with the 3x4 journaling cards. Then you get this mustard yellow and this pretty print. So that is the farmhouse summer. Plan on making some cards and maybe some little crafty projects with this. But yeah, I like the Echo Park subscription box. I don't know if I'll get it again, but I might. We'll have to see. So, so yeah, tell me what you think about this kit, Farmhouse Summer, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.